So leave it better than you found it. That's a kind of a mantra that we used to have on a landscape crew I was on back in the day. So say we went to someone's house and we were planting 3 trees in the backyard. When we were done, we wouldn't just clean up the backyard. We were working in the area around the truck where we were unloading. We would clean off the whole driveway. We would clean off the front walk, the front porch, the back patio. We'd spend some time to make an impact and do a little more than what they hired us to do. So we planted the trees and did a little bit more, so it's visibly better than we left it. So I always wanted to apply that to other things, after I was on that crew. And when I was in sales, I might educate the customer on things, give them quick tips, give them some advice, give them a little extra, leave them better than I found them. And I was looking to do that in other ways, like as a manager. And for myself, it was always about, how can I be 1% better today? How can I be better today than I was yesterday? So how can I kind of using the same mantra of leave it better than you found it. So I'm better today than I was yesterday, and I'm always looking for that 1%. And I think if you do that, how can you leave your team better, or yourself, or how can you improve to serve your team better or serve yourself better? You're always going to be in good shape. So leave it better than you found it is kind of the mantra that I use to improve 1% or improve a little bit every day, and for yourself, your team, your customer, whatever. And I think it's appropriate to end this book with that idea. So hopefully we left you a little bit better than we found you at the beginning of the book, now that you're here at the end. So if you found us on YouTube, go to patiobook.net, go to the book From Me to We, and check it out. Hopefully you'll be better off after reading that book. All right, I'll catch you all later.